Okay guys, so we're gonna do metal detecting today. Ba't pa ako nag-i-English? So metal detecting tayo muna guys. Nandito kami sa beautiful river. Yung pinuntahan natin, nung dinal natin dito si Tisa, yung magaganda, mayamang lugar kasi. Uy, grabe ang alikabok! Uy! Ben! And my rainbow guys! Sobrang ganda! Tingnan nyo yan! Ang ganda ng rainbow! Half ano lang siya, half rainbow. Yung natirinig, yung natutot yung mga metal detectors namin. Tigigisa kasi kami. Grabe yung rainbow. Ay napakaganda talaga. Ayun. Kala nyo may mga nag-uututan. Ayan. Naghahanap kami ng treasures. Idea to ni nung maliit. Oh, silver? Meron daw dun silver. Hoy, hoy. Pat. Wow, balik tayo sa rainbow. Wow, look at that rainbow. Isu-zoom ko siya as much as possible. Wow. Anong kulay yun? Parang may purple, green, yellow, pink. Ang galing na. Ayan, mga naghahanap ng gold. Did you find any gold yet? Okay. Wow, Ben. Sige pa, keep going. We might find gold. So, it's registering here that we have gold. It says there's gold in here, so we're digging. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung may gold tayo, guys. Kasi sabi nung aming mga metal detector, dalawang metal detector may gold daw dito. So, dito tinuturo pareho. Hindi namin alam kung gano'ng kalalim yung gold. We don't know how deep is the gold. But there is gold. Kasi ang kagandahan guys dito, sasabihin niya sa'yo kung ano ba, screws, kung nickel, ano pa ba yung mga cups or something, gold, copper, silver, sabihin niya sa'yo. Tsaka kung gano'ng kalalim. Okay, so. Huh?
Oh.
Girl? What are we looking at here?
It's sand, I guess.
Well, are we getting the specs only? You know, parang oh baby, oh. See that shiny? See?
Yeah, that's what.
The gold talaga. Ayan pa, oh. There's gold dust. Yeah, there's gold. Pero ang maliliit siya yung shine, yung parang dust lang siya. Dust of gold. So fast. You like that, Ben? What's that? Oh, may lumulutang. Ayun, oh. Pero ano siya, guys? Isda. Ayun, oh. Bakit kaya namatay? Ayan, may boat doon. Mga nagbo-boating sila.
Oh, they're coming back to the shore.
Yeah, such a nice day. Uy! Uy, tingnan mo, may rock. Ay, buto. Buto pala. There's silver. Dito naman silver. Yeah. Silver naman dito ang nagre-register.
I think that's been here for a long time.
Yeah. So, meron kami nakitang lure. Mga nag-fish. Kaya lang rusty na yung ano, no? Do you want it or no?
No. Also, there's a hook here
Oh,
too.
I know. But it's rusty already. Don't give up, baby. Don't give up.
Have the shovel, mommy.
Okay, baby. Ito ang aking shovel.
Silver.
Ito, kuya. Yeah, that's soft. Ano dyan? Ito, kuya, oh. Kuya, here. Baba.
My spot.
Okay.
There's silver here.
Ben, you gotta...
Right there.
Sige.
Mommy.
Yes. I don't have the ano. We only have two. Kuya has the...
Daddy, look.
What does it say?
I got to read what it is.
Oh, sunset.
Daddy.
Beautiful sunset.
White stuff.
I have it, Baba. Oh, yeah, I have water. Alright.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Wow. It's for tall.
Okay.
Can you pull that, Ben? Can you pull it so Daddy won't have to hold?
It's gonna air up
It's fine.
by itself. It does it by itself.
We're
Yeah,
putting
it's
air.
airing up.
It's airing up now. Because there's no hole now.
Now
Watch
the
out, baby. The fan will cut the top of the... Baby! The fan! The
Oh.
fan! There you go.
Do I need shoes?
Yeah.
And,
Nice. Very nice. Perfect for parties. Oh, dance nga. Dance, dance. Chicken dance. Walk, walk kayo. Yeah, yan. Oh.
go outside.
Yeah, go outside. You want to go outside?
See if there's anybody there.
Okay.
Beba.
Beba, scared.
Beba.
There you go. Face here. Yeah. Dance, dance. Woo! Scared Beba. Ano Beba? Oh, watch out. Step. Step. Oh. Oh. Hi, Mr. Keith. All right. Dance nga, kuya. Dance, dance. Kuya. Dance nga ikaw, like this. Dance, dance ka nga. Can you try to... Yan. Oh. What is it doing? Bebang, what do you think? I thought Bebang is still there. Uy, Bebang is waiting for you, oh. Bebang is waiting for you, oh. Yeah, that's Mikkel. That's Mikkel. Yeah, wait. Are you ready? Are you done? Oh. It's because, oh, maybe the battery doesn't work anymore.
It looks like
It's still blowing up.
you're getting hot.
You're getting hot? Okay, come here.